Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to fix cannot receive payments with Apple Pay. So first of all, go ahead to your browser and basically scroll a little bit down right here. If why is Apple Pay not allowing me to receive money? If you can't send or receive money, you might have to verify your card identity to continue using Apple Cash. Learn more about identity verification and what to do if your account restricted or locked. To get help with the transaction or payment, contact Apple. So let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.